today I'm going to tell you how you can make an easy, simple baking soda vinegar rocket with the ingredients available at home. So my research question was, how can the chemical energy be produced from ingredients available at home, and for what purpose we can use this energy? So with the help of an experiment, I tried to figure out if I can make a rocket with the help of vinegar, baking soda, etc. My hypothesis was the energy may be released from ingredients available at home due to the chemical reaction, and the energy released can be used to run a car or to fly a rocket. The ingredients you would need: the simplest part, a bottle, tissue paper, vinegar, ice cream sticks, cork, baking soda, and a tape. Ice cream sticks, you could take 3, but I took 4. The next is experiment procedure. So the experiment procedure went like this. First, I attached ice cream sticks towards the cap of the bottle. You could take a 1 liter bottle or a 2 liter one, with the help of tape so that it can stand. Secondly, I filled the bottle with vinegar. Thirdly, I wrapped the baking soda in tissue paper and made a pouch, then kept it aside for later use. Last but not the least, close the bottle with a cork. Put the baking soda sachet in the bottle, close it with a cork, shake it, put it upside down on the ground, and boom! So the findings were: more fuel pushes the rocket higher, the weight doesn't affect the distance traveled. Third, the tighter the cork, the more pressure is generated and more distance is traveled. So here in the graph you can see there's a 1 liter bottle, the blue, 2 liter bottle, red, and a 2 liter bottle again but with more fuel, the gray one. So in the blue rocket you can see we used 250 amounts of vinegar and baking soda, which led the rocket to fly 240 meters in the sky. Second, the red one, in the second rocket we used 400 ml of fuel of baking soda and vinegar, which led the rocket to fly 450 centimeters in the sky. And the last, the best rocket, we used 550 ml of fuel of baking soda and vinegar, and you won't believe what happened. The rocket went a whopping 720 centimeters. Can you believe it? Nah. So the conclusion is, more fuel pushes the rocket higher.